This is Barry. Every morning he wakes up feeling awful. His stomach feels heavy, his energy is low, and no matter what he eats, digestion is always a problem. He's tried cutting out fried food, drinking more water, and even avoiding late-night snacks. But nothing works. The bloating, discomfort, and sluggishness won't go away. Then one day, he stumbles upon an ancient remedy, something so simple he almost ignored it: eating 2 cloves on an empty stomach every morning. Really? Cloves? This tiny thing is supposed to fix my stomach? But Barry had nothing to lose, so he decided to give it a try, and what happened next shocked him. Barry taking his first bite of a clove, making a weird face. Ugh, this is strong. Day 1 was not fun. Cloves are spicy, almost numbing, and Barry wasn't sure if he could handle it every morning. Barry on day 3, still making a face but swallowing the cloves. But by day 3, something changed. He started getting used to the taste, and more importantly, his bloating was gone. Barry looking in the mirror, touching his stomach, surprised. For the first time in months, his stomach felt light and comfortable. No more tight, bloated feeling after meals. But what was actually happening inside Barry's body? Gut bacteria, showing bad bacteria disappearing. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful compound that kills harmful bacteria in your gut. Less bad bacteria, better digestion. And what happened for liver detox? They also help cleanse the liver, which improves metabolism and energy levels. Barry at work, looking alert and focused. By day 5, Barry noticed something surprising. His afternoon crashes disappeared. He felt more alert, focused, and even needed less coffee. The hidden benefit, more than just digestion. Barry waking up on day 7, looking in the mirror, touching his skin. By the end of the week, Barry noticed something unexpected. His skin looked clearer, less puffy, and healthier. Barry researching on his laptop, nodding in amazement. Turns out, cloves are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and help detox the body from the inside out. Barry smiling, confidently eating his morning cloves. What started as a simple experiment turned into a life-changing daily habit. Can this work for you? Barry holding cloves, smiling. Barry never thought something so small could change his health. But now he swears by it. Try it for a week and let us know your results. Want to see if it works for you? Try eating 2 cloves every morning for a week and tell us in the comments. Subscribe and like for more health tips. Simple health hacks like this can make a huge difference. Subscribe for more easy ways to improve your health.